Hello riders, welcome to our Bitcoin weekly analysis. In this series, we take a look at what Bitcoin is doing on the weekly time frame using our indicators and try to predict what it's going to do on the following weeks. We do this every Sunday, so if you want to stay informed with Bitcoin mid-long-term movement, subscribe to our channel. So let's go straight to the charts. Alright guys, so this is Bitcoin on the 1 week time frame. And what our indicators are telling us, very easily to see, is that Bitcoin is still trending. This is the week that it is just about to close. Let's zoom in here. What we see is that Bitcoin is about to close another week very similar to the previous two, above our rider band, which is bullish for the mid-long term. And by taking a look at our oscillator, what we see is that this money flow here, this line that flipped from green to red, it is still red. So Bitcoin still needs a push to flip this line from red to green and really start the next leg up. So that is what I'm waiting and looking for. So let's compare what Bitcoin is doing to what happened in the past right now. So what we see right now is Bitcoin went from below the red rider band and it went straight above and is right now closing a third candle above. So let's go take a look at the past. And for this, we go to the previous bull market, which happened here in May 20th after C19. And we see that Bitcoin went from below to above the band, and we have 3 candle closes, and it started the bull run the following weeks. Actually, let's take a look a little bit before, because we know that C19 altered what was going on with Bitcoin and what was going on with stocks. So let's take a look at what happened in 2019. That probably was the real beginning of the bull market. And here the price went from below the rider band, a red rider band, to go above. And what we see here is 3 candles, very similar to the one we have now. But then it started to grow from this, and probably it was going to go for an all-time high, but then C19 came. So this is very similar to what is going on right now. And you can see how the money flow line flipped from red to green right here. This is the push that we're waiting for on Bitcoin to confirm this momentum for the next leg up. Let's go now way back before to the previous bull market. And we just said that the previous bull market started around $300. And once again, price went from below rider band to above rider band. It had a 1, 2, 3 candles that we are right now above rider band. Let me zoom in. And then a little bit waves action with some push. You can see here the line flip from red to green. And then Bitcoin did a little bit of sideways movement and started trending up. This is on the weekly time frame. So just based on the facts on the chart with our indicators, we can clearly see that Bitcoin is on its way to price recovery and then trying to aim for a push upward for a next leg up. It already has this massive leg up that is almost grew 100% from $15,000 to almost $30,000. So it already moved. Now we're waiting patiently a few weeks for the next push and for this red line to flip green. That would be a confirmation. Meanwhile, on shorter time frames, Bitcoin can do a few things. It can go a little bit sideways like this for a few weeks and bounce from rider band because it haven't tested the rider band yet. This will be our scenario number 1. Or it can just move sideways and rider band will catch up eventually and then bounce. Or it can go lower, which would be not what had happened in the past, but let's say it go lower, then it could go as low to probably 20k or very close to that to test this support zone here and bounce from there. But I believe that what will most probably happen is for Bitcoin to move a little bit sideways, waiting for the big push, and then started going trading upwards until we get this confirmation from red to green. That is probably going to happen around here, and then we're going to have the push. So right now, not rushing into Bitcoin positions. We already have this massive move. I am waiting for this red to flip to green. Meanwhile, trading on lower time frames on the 1-day chart, 4-hour chart with Bitcoin and altcoins. So this is it for this week video update on Bitcoin. Hope you find it useful. Remember to subscribe to our channel, help us a ton to keep producing content for you guys. Happy trading this week.